Summer presents a unique opportunity for entrepreneurs looking to dive into side hustles. With its longer days and generally more relaxed pace, summer offers the flexibility to explore new ventures without the constraints often found during other seasons. Many find that their regular commitments, like schooling or full-time jobs, become less demanding, freeing up valuable time to focus on building and growing a side business. Additionally, the season is ripe with seasonal opportunities, from tourist influxes to local outdoor events, all of which can be leveraged to kickstart a profitable side hustle. Summer's outdoor events provide fertile ground for burgeoning entrepreneurs. Festivals, markets, and concerts draw large crowds eager for unique experiences and products. By setting up food stalls or selling merchandise at these events, you can capitalize on the high foot traffic and the festive atmosphere. This scene offers practical tips on how to identify the right events for your offerings, secure spots at these venues, and effectively cater to the seasonal crowd. It focuses on utilizing the social and dynamic nature of outdoor events to turn a seasonal side business into a profitable venture. Summer brings a surge of tourists, creating ample business opportunities in the travel and tourism sector. Entrepreneurs can explore various ventures like offering guided tours that showcase local attractions or impart cultural knowledge. Travel planning services are also in demand, assisting visitors in maximizing their holiday experiences. Additionally, rental businesses for bikes, sports equipment, and other recreational items can thrive by catering to tourists seeking active adventures. This narrative dives into how to effectively set up and market these services to capitalize on the tourist influx, ensuring a summer of profitable engagement. Capitalizing on popular local attractions can immensely boost your entrepreneurial ventures. Collaborating with local businesses offers a strategic advantage, allowing you to create comprehensive local experience packages that appeal to tourists and locals alike. Setting up shuttle services can provide ease of access to attractions, enhancing visitor experiences and increasing foot traffic. Additionally, Popstanovka up-shops at these attractions can attract customers right at the source of the demand, maximizing exposure and sales. This approach not only stimulates local economic activity, but also fosters a community-centric business ecosystem. The summer season opens a unique niche for online educators through courses that enhance seasonal activities. Entrepreneurs can tap into the growing demand for skills like photography and outdoor sports by offering specialized online courses or workshops. These virtual offerings allow flexibility for both instructors and learners, accommodating the casual yet engaged summer learning mode. Diving into the creation of content that suits seasonal hobbies not only fills a market need, but also establishes a potential year-round educational platform as students look to refine their skills further or prepare for next summer.